We're now going to put some hangers in prior to putting in the ceiling joist. Hangers are the same as beams, but there's a couple of little tricks here if you're going to do multiple hangers. In this instance, in the room, we have a beam running through, and we're going to put a hanger across the center there. This line on the left, the wall plate line, that goes all the way through to the other side, so therefore we might want to split it so we can put a hanger down the middle here. So if I go to my trim divide, I can pick on this wall and that one, and it's now split this continuous line. So we have a line that's where we can select the middle from to come all the way across. When it does come across, my text here for the beam is going to be in the way, so just S for snap off. I'll just move that out of the way so we can see what's going on. Back to the beam command, hanger, next, M for midpoint, and I could just come across onto the beam here, midpoint of the beam, and that's a 150 by 75. So what we've done there is we've picked up the span that we need, 150 by 75. I might just cancel out of that now. I can see the size. Go back again, next, midpoint, end point of this wall. That's a 175 by 75, so I'm just going to change this to 150 by 75 for the smaller span. Single. Let's put that in all the way across, and I'm just going endpoint, nearest, onto the wall plate, and the hanger line has gone across. You can see that my walls are still showing here, and I had those on for the beam commands. So if you don't want to see your walls anymore, please feel free to go to the layer groups and just turn on ceiling, and you'll be just left with the wall plate lines, which will be in the background, which would have been harder to break the line here. So probably go through and just break any wall plates that you need first, and then continue from there with it in the background. At the top here, I'm going to put two hangers coming across the center. Whether that's the right way to do it or not doesn't matter. It's just for the exercise of showing you different ways of doing things. So hanger again. This time I'm going to pick on top of the wall, not where the hangers are going to go, because I'm going to space these automatically. So remembering my first point, end point, 175 by 75, hanger text, it's telling me that's correct, and we're going to choose multiple, 2, 3, whatever you want. In this case 2, multiple. Down the bottom it says pick first side point, which is the exact same point you picked in the first place, and then the other end, and let's put the two hangers across. Then go through your whole house putting in hangers. Hanger, midpoint. As much as I've picked midpoint here, it'll still go straight across. 150 by 75, single is a hanger, etc., etc.